Well, good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Gray Shot Down. I'm Gray Shot Down behind on the sticks, alongside Doggone Sci-Fi behind the wheel. We're going to take you on another full self-drive aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.3 full self-driving software stack. If you do like this content, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out those creators that do get discouraged in the sense that not a lot of viewership, not a lot of engagement. So it means a lot if you do that. And leave a nice comment. If you leave a nasty comment, I'll delete it. Just telling them the truth. I hit my limit, viewers.
All right.
I think everyone hits their limit of bullshit with social media and with content creators and people that lie and people that don't actually show you unedited content, and I just get sick of it.
I was gonna say about that stop sign where it stopped way far back.
Yeah.
And then it went. I did not push it, and like that's what it feels like, where it's not actually creeping forward for visibility. It's like, oh no, I got this. Like, and you're like, okay. And sometimes you're right. You just gotta trust it. Like it really does happen. Don't forget.
Let's see.
Pulls. You're like, okay.
Well, and typically what happens underneath the bridge up here, you don't have anybody coming at you, but it slows here for this intersection.
It didn't slow that time.
No, sometimes it does for this intersection, and then there we go.
Good job. Let me know how you're doing on this one today.
Fine, I got a tailwind today. It was yesterday that I hit that turn and I was like, can't keep up.
Alright, I'm not going to disengage it too soon because...
Don't delete the navigation just yet.
No, basically once we get over the crossover,
That's fine.
Okay. Tesla. I've been seeing a lot of Teslas around here though.
You don't see as many red ones.
I've been seeing more red ones actually, I was about to say.
Really?
Yeah, because I've seen there's 2 at my school now.
That are red?
Yeah. Both Model Ys.
Hmm.
And then I've been seeing a lot of the Model 3 reds.
Must be that time of year.
Doing okay?
Yeah. Just looking around to see if I can find that rattle. So we were on that straightaway. I was like, it's on the visor.
They're having to open a house again.
Same one?
Yeah.
Hmm.
It was a unique house.
It was a weird house.
Just basically have to cross over this. I'll re-navigate.
Okay.
It should be okay.
Should be fine. Should be fine here, I would think.
The only reason I want to do here because it'll take us right.
Oh, okay. Oh, that would be fine too, if it went that way. But
let's not throw any extra news in today. Don't forget these power lines.
let's see.
Starting to build up out this way. They've got the brick walls and everything.
I don't know.
Doing okay?
Yep.
It'll be weird to see houses out this way along the backside of this mountain.
Yeah.
Although it's really a hill, it's not quite a mountain, but you know. We call it a mountain.
Big cell tower.
Mm-hmm. Wonder how many more drives we'll get in before the snow hits.
Not sure. Need to get in probably 2 more days. 3 would be perfect. I might enlist Jacob.
I was gonna say you should ask Jacob this week because this week's I've got the wedding.
I might enlist Jacob and see if he's free. Go do these drives.
We got trees and power lines. We got this. Another open house. Lots of open. People are in a hurry today.
It's the weekend, I guess, maybe?
Sunday.
Yeah.
Right before the last full week before Thanksgiving. People are just gonna be just as crazy, if not crazier, next week.
Yeah.
It was funny, there's a flock of birds way up there. And I thought for half a second it was a hot air balloon, the way that they were all flying.
Don't have to do that, especially if they're going opposite direction. But
Oh, in small towns we do, sorry. Even the car in front of me did.
behind you, the one that was riding your house.
Yeah, all of us did. Surprised it's not going for the guy that was burning leaves in his backyard.
Right. Okay, this one you need to be in the left lane
Yep.
to proceed straight.
Good job. Excellent job, Lightning. So proud of you.
Yeah, I did that.
It did. All right, and then see, it gets over it just fine.
Okay, so it needs to stay in this lane.
Yep. So it stay here. See, it shows staying in this lane. Stay. 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 Excellent. Stay. Stay.
So as long as it stays left, it should be able to go straight through this intersection, or roundabout.
Yep, so it's wanting to stay. Ooh, there we go.
What was going on there?
It just was not going to stop. All right. Excellent. All right, go. There we go. Excellent. No. Here we go. There we go. There we go. Yeah, re-engaged at least.
Yeah. One disengagement.
Yeah, I'm not counting the emergency vehicle one.
Oh, you know it's not programmed to see that.
It did the other day on the highway, actually.
Slowed down for it. Flashing lights or whatever.
Yeah, and everyone got over one lane, right? Because again, small town, that's what everyone does. And it was the only one that didn't get over, so I had to like tell it to get over.
Gotcha.
But it did slow down. It did say slowing down for emergency vehicles and or limit speed for emergency vehicles. That's
I've seen that. Yeah, I've seen that.
yeah. Hey, it technically did that roundabout, other than it was just gonna go like rather than wait your turn.
Other than it wasn't going to stop. It was just going to
Wait your
say,
turn.
"You guys figure it out." I'm entering the roundabout. Figure it out.
The rock star has arrived.
Well, if you guys are liking this content, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. We all know how that helps this insane YouTube algorithm, and we greatly appreciate it. This has been another aerial perspective video of Tesla's 11.4.7.3 full self-driving software stack. Thanks again for joining us. We'll see you again next time.
God, that was
Bye.
coming in hot.